we'll guide you through how to change your Gmail username. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Next, go to the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll see a section labeled Send Mail As. This is where you can change the name that appears when you send emails. Click on Edit Info next to your email address. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, type your new name in the text box provided and then click Save Changes. This will update your display name that others see when you send emails. It's important to note that you can't change the actual email address or username itself, only the name that displays. If you need a completely different email address, you might consider creating a new Gmail account. Remember, changing your display name here won't affect your Google account name, which is used across other Google services. If you need to change your Google account name as well, you'll need to visit your Google account settings. But for now, this should help with how your name appears in emails. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.